Good day, everyone. I am Lou from QRIS Environ. Thank you for the opportunity to showcase our innovations, QRIS hypochlorous acid generator, and we are humbly contribute to the Sustainable Development Goal number 6, ensure access to water and sanitation for all. As facts and figures from the United Nations, 1/3 of people do not have access to safe drinking water, thousands of children are dying due to preventable water and sanitation-related diarrheal diseases every day. Although chlorination is a common technique for clean and safe use of water treatment and distribution, it required basic infrastructure which is not feasible for some rural areas in a short period. Thus, a portable or small chlorination device seems relatively practical. Without further ado, introducing our innovation, QRIS hypochlorous acid generator, a patented electrochemical activation technology that uses non-diaphragm electrolysis to transform pure diluted saline into hypochlorous acid. By extraction of chlorine from salt, which is chemically known as sodium chloride, to form a unique chlorine-based active ingredient, namely hypochlorous acid or hypochlorite ion. Hypochlorous acid or hypochlorite ion has a unique mechanism of biocidal action which is distinct from chemicals. There it reacts with structural proteins of microbial cellular membranes and destroys the important components in germs to rupture them. Hypochlorous acid is not new to our human body, and it inside us as our immunity system. White blood cells in the human immune system produce hypochlorous acid through the myeloperoxidase-mediated peroxidation of chloride ions. White blood cells release this natural oxidant to fight invading pathogens. Research and microbial test challenges have been conducted. QRIS hypochlorous acid has proven its capability in disinfectant even for those microorganisms which more resistant to chemical germicides. To illustrate further, alcohol is ineffective to kill viruses such as norovirus or hand-foot-mouth disease. But hypochlorous acid can. At some point though, females are at high risk of vaginal yeast infections caused by the fungus Candida albicans. Thus, keeping the balance among microbes by the maintenance of personal hygiene and environmental cleanliness based on the infection triangle. While another consideration when using disinfectants is the health and safety of humans and animals. Also, for environmental factors, we need to be concerned about ecological hazards for plants and aquatic life, therefore drainage, runoff, and biodegradability are other issues concerns. The mechanism of hypochlorous acid is that it degrades protein by oxidation when contact with microorganisms. Once react, it will reform to water. And even with residue of chlorine, will decay overnight and can be treated by filtering or heating. In addition, lethal dose 50 is the amount of a material, given all at once, which causes the death of 1/2 of a group of test animals. The LD50 is one way to measure the short-term poisoning potential of a material. To compare the lethal dose LD50 on toxicity, the lower means that it is more toxic. QRIS hypochlorous acid is having a high value for LD50 than alcohol has. Furthermore, QRIS hypochlorous acid is having a test on respiratory effect, skin sensitivity test, and also non-irritation test challenges, ISO 10993. It is proof that non-irritation occurs while using hypochlorous acid. With this evidence, we can claim that QRIS hypochlorous acid is kid-safe and even pet-safe. The use of hypochlorous acid or hypochlorite ion has been approved by the US EPA for cleaning and as a disinfectant. The CDC recognized hypochlorous acid as antimicrobial agents in Guideline for Disinfection and Sterilization in Healthcare Facilities 2008. According to FDA, a hypochlorous acid is recognized as a food contact substance. The field of application includes single use as an antimicrobial agent in an aqueous solution in the production and preparation of whole or cut meat and poultry, processed and preformed meat and poultry, fish and seafood, fruits and vegetables, and shell eggs. The application of hypochlorous acid is a sustainable and green concept and has several advantages over traditional cleaning systems, including cost-effectiveness, ease of application, effective disinfection, on-the-spot production, and safety for human beings and the environment. Thank you for your attention. This is all about our innovation, QRIS hypochlorous acid generator. These bring QRIS closer to achieving the Sustainable Development Goal. Let's build a better world together.